Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to Instacart Plus on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upgrade to Instacart Plus. Maybe you want to go ahead and save on delivery fees. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and underneath savings, click on Get Instacart Plus. So from this option, you can choose between the monthly or annual plan or add a promo code. And you could even redeem exclusive offers based on Costco or Chase. So go ahead and choose which plan you want. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upgrade to Instacart Plus on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way of actually doing this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.